If you want, if you create a shape here, something like this, and if you want to multi-fill color and multi-stroke, you can use appearance window here. You can see we have one fill and one stroke. From here, you can add a stroke and a fill. First, you can select on this and change the color of your fill here. Okay, if you want to fill. You can add another fill on top of that fill. You can see if you click that, you can set another color. So it's like it's like a layer. Okay, this is my first fill and this is another fill. You can turn it off. You can see because the blending mode of them are normal. You can just see the fill color at the top. You can go to the normal and you can see you can blending that color to each other. If you need for better seeing that, I go in here and make a gradient of that. Another color, I set it to the black. And now I want to blending this gradient to this norm layer below that. You can see the blending mode. So you can convert blending colors to each other. So this is about the fill. Also, you can do for a stroke. From here, you can choose any color of stroke. From here, if you click, you can access all of the setting of a stroke. Also, width of that. And all of the settings that you know, okay? And I want to add another stroke on top of that. If you set it to this, make it larger, you can see this stroke is in top of that. Nice. And like before, you can compose it to layer below. But at the bottom of that, we have something called erase it. You can delete this stroke from the stroke below. Now you can see this stroke is, if you change the, so as you can see, we have to multi-stroke an object, something like this. This is, we erase that first stroke from that. And done. If you see your stroke editing, come here, it's erase, or you can blend it, but erase is here is nice. You can add another stroke, another thing on the top of that. For example, another stroke, call it, for example, white, changing width of that. And now you have multiple fill and multiple stroke here. If you select it, you can see there. But if you create another object, you can see it maintained the last fill and the last stroke that you set. You select that. If you select it, you can see the last stroke, the top stroke fill is here, and the last stroke is here. It's pick that. If you want to go to the reset factory, you don't like this fill and stroke, you have to go to the layer, in edit, and the default, you have to make revert, and it become to the default, no fill, no stroke, like factory. And if you design any object, this does not be create like before. If you select them, you can see in the appearance we have simple, but this in the multi. In the next lesson, I will show you how to save these settings to use another object that called styles.